Okay, um, let's have this question solved. There is a question. Let's say it. The question says the diagonals of a rhombus are 14 centimeter and 10 centimeter long. Calculate its area. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to have this rhombus drawn. We need to draw this rhombus. So what you need to do is this. Let's draw the rhombus. Sometimes it looks like a kite, but it's not a kite. Easy. Alright, these are rhombus. These are the first diagonal. These are the diagonals. Then if we look at these diagonals, this is the longest side. This diagonal is the longest diagonal. This is the shortest one. So that shows that the longest side, this one is 14 centimeter. That should take for the longer side. So I will say, because from here to here is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter divided into 2, so I have 7 centimeter here, 7 centimeter here. The longer side, the shorter side is 10 centimeter. Therefore, I need to have 5 centimeter here, and here also 5 centimeter. So that 5 plus 5 will give us 10 centimeter, and 7 plus 7 will give us 14 centimeter, respectively. Now, the next thing is to look for the area. What is the area of a rhombus? The area for calculating a rhombus is 4. 4 times one of the area of the triangle. Area of one of the triangles. And the area of the triangle is half of this times height. So this is a formula for calculating a rhombus, because the rhombus has, when it's divided, this is a rhombus, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 triangles, 4 triangles. When it has been divided according to what we have seen here. So we have triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. That's why I have to multiply by 4. So 4 multiplied by area of one of the angles. So here I'm going to have 4 now. This, let's say, let's say the base is 7, the height, let's say is 5. Okay, so that we have here 4. Now 4, 7 times 5 will give you 35. 7 times 5 will give you 35. Okay, 35. Then, so sorry, here is 2. Is half, right? What of half of 35? Half of 35 will give you 17.5. Half of 35 will give you 17.5. 17.5 times 10. 17.5 times the 4 here. It is 17.5 in 4 places. In 4 places will give you 17. And since it is area, that will be 70 centimeter square, since it is area. And you might wonder why I got this so easily. With that calculator, you can get it. Just come here and say 17.5 multiplied by 4. 4 times 5 is what? 4 times 5 is 20. Right, I need to write 0 and keep 2. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus the 2 I kept that time will give you 30. Remember, this is our point here. 30, I need to write 0 and keep 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus the 3 will give us 70. So we have 70.0 centimeters. This is how I got this. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.